Hi, I'm Lawrence Turley. The products you see in our sample displays or brochures and our product description sheets come from many places around the United States and foreign locations such as Africa, islands of the Pacific, South America, and Mexico. I've spent my career in mining activities in most of these locations, and I remember particularly on one mining project in South America, I was staying at a hotel that had a beautiful entryway that was done with a beautiful black pebble and an exposed aggregate. Years later, I was in the swimming pool industry and I remembered this product, and I decided that I would go to South America and try to find where it came from. So I went down there, and after a couple of months of looking, I finally did find it, and I was able to get the legal rights to extract this material, and it has been in our product lineup ever since. The funnest part about this whole business, at least for me, is the exploration part of it. The people that I work with, I've met throughout my career. I've spent 25 years in mine process engineering in different countries. And on these job sites, I always meet and establish friendships with these people. I've stayed in contact with them over the years. I have different mineralogists and geologists in different locations around the world that are constantly looking for different materials. When they find something, they let me know, and I schedule a time to go meet with them. We go out to the location, we get samples, we ship them back up to the United States. I have a laboratory that if they need to be crushed, I crush them to size, screen them to size, make the different color combinations, do the chemical testing on them, and go through all the steps that are required to validate the materials so that we know that there's nothing toxic in them, that the colors are going to stay fast in the environment of the swimming pool, and that they just generally fit the criteria that we establish for the high standards that we set. The materials I have been describing to you come together to make 5 distinct product lines. The pearl matrix, which is the natural larger size pebble that is made up in different combinations of colors and has a distinct pebble look to it. Secondly, we have the satin matrix, which is a smaller pebble that has the same color combinations but tends to have a little less texture. We have the Luna quartz, which is the same natural quartz as the pearl and satin, just sized down very small. It looks like plaster, but it's far more durable than a standard plaster finish. The Ultima pool finish is a plaster type of pool finish that contains some natural quartz, marble sand, and our pebble edge admixture. The Ultima provides an advantage in durability over traditional plaster. And finally, our Primera Stone polished finish. It looks like pebbles, but it is smooth like plaster.
The sourcing of the materials is a very important aspect of what we do here at Wet Edge Technologies. But what is even more critical to the outcome of the pool finish is what we do to the stone at our processing plants in both Mesa, Arizona and Picayune, Mississippi. It is here where we bring all of our materials from around the world to put them through a quality control process, as well as mix and blend the products into their final bag state, awaiting shipment to the certified installers across North America.
At Wet Edge Technologies, our goal has been to improve on the application process and the longevity of the pool finish.
We've taken the cement, a key component of the pool finish, and enhanced it with an admixture that modifies the cement to make it a stronger and tighter matrix.
Another key ingredient in a pool finish is the pigments that are used to color the cement and create the beautiful watercolors. For far too long, the pool industry has provided lesser quality pigments that lose color in too short a period of time. Wet Edge has developed a line of mineral-based pigments that are resistant to UV light and fading. All these things combined improve the durability and the long-time appearance of the pool finish.
The admix gives the finishers more control over the material and allows them more time to work and detail the finish. The Wet Edge aggregate is specifically sized and allows for a tight compaction.
As the material starts to set up, the finishers will begin to water wash the walls of the pool to remove the creamy cement that comes to the surface because of the tight compaction. The next day, a crew will show up and do a light acid wash on the surface to remove any residual cream.
Wet edge pool finishes will last longer and allow you to travel the world in your own swimming pool. Start by choosing Pearl Matrix, Satin Matrix, Luna Quartz, Ultima, or Primera Stone. When your pool is ready, let the family fun begin.